Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Oreo cheesecake donuts. The ingredients we're going to need today are vegetable oil for frying, 1/2 cup of sour cream at room temperature, 1/2 cup of the French vanilla coffee mate cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of confectioner sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature, Oreo cookies, 1 pack of the Grand's flaky layer biscuits, and also 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature. Now you want to take about 10 of your Oreo cookies, place them in a Ziploc bag, and I'm just going to take a rolling pin and roll over top of them to crush them. Once you crush your Oreo cookies, you want to place them into a bowl. Now you can set your cookies to the side, and next we're going to go ahead and open our biscuits. Once you have your biscuits separated, you can take a bottle cap or a round cookie cutter and just go ahead in the center to make the hole. Now in the pan, we're going to bring our vegetable oil to temperature. Now we're going to begin to add our biscuits to our oil. You want to keep an eye on them because they will cook fast. After about 2 minutes, you can move them over onto a wire rack to cool. They're nice and golden. This is my second batch, and they're almost about ready to come out. Okay, while they're cooling off, we're going to go ahead and make our glaze for our donuts. To a bowl, I added my softened cream cheese. Now I'm going to sift in my confectioner sugar and make sure there's no lumps or anything in it. You can also add in your 2 tablespoons of butter, your cream, and also your sour cream. And also the vanilla extract. Now you want to take a hand mixer and you want to blend everything until it's nice and smooth. Okay, now all I'm going to do is take our donuts, dip it around in the cream cheese. And we're going to sprinkle it with some Oreos. And do that for each of them. And look how pretty they are when you're done. Okay guys, so here are our Oreo cheesecake donuts. A nice treat that you can make your family, and I'm pretty sure everybody is going to enjoy them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.